Home security cameras are supposed to make you feel safe. They're sold as protection. Proof that nothing can touch you while you sleep. But cameras don't protect you. They only show you what was already there, waiting for you to notice it. Every night, at exactly 3:11 a.m., my Ring camera detected a person. And every night, that person stood a little closer. This isn't a story about a haunted house. It's a story about what happens when something learns your face before it learns your name. I bought the house after my divorce. Quiet suburb, Ohio. The kind of neighborhood where nothing ever happens. Lawns trimmed, porch lights on timers. People who wave but don't talk.
Hello, neighbors.
No furniture left behind. No explanation. When I asked the realtor why, she hesitated, then said, "Some people just don't sleep well here." I laughed. I installed the Ring camera 2 days later. Not because I was scared, but because I wanted proof that I didn't need to be. The first alert came at 3:11 a.m. Motion detected. I checked the clip. Nothing there. Second night. Same time. Still nothing. Third night. I paused the video. Something stood just outside the frame. Not on the porch. Not on the sidewalk. Just close enough to be detected. The app labeled it person detected. I slept less after that. Because once you notice a pattern, your brain won't let it go. By the 7th night, it stood at the bottom of the porch steps. Still no face. Just a pale shape where one should be. The porch light flickered when it appeared. The audio cut out for half a second. I contacted Ring support. They asked if I'd been sleeping well. That's when I realized something was wrong with the footage. The timestamp said 3:11 a.m. My phone clock said 3:09. The camera wasn't recording the present. It was recording what was about to happen. On the 10th night, the blur sharpened. Idents appeared. A mouth stretched too wide. Not smiling. Practicing. When I zoomed in, the video froze. When it resumed, the camera angle had changed. It wasn't showing the porch anymore. It was showing my living room, from outside, looking in, at me. The notes appeared after that. First note on the porch. Do not acknowledge it. Second note on my kitchen counter. Do not let it hear your voice. Third note on my bedroom mirror. If it smiles, it's already inside. The handwriting was mine. I don't remember writing them. One night, the live feed didn't show the porch. It showed my bedroom. From above. I was asleep. Something stood beside the bed. Wearing my face. Breathing the way I do. Learning how to be me. I didn't move out. I disappeared. The house sold again. New owner. New Ring camera. And every night, at 3:11 a.m., The app sends the same alert. Person detected. The face is familiar now. Because it's looking back at you. If you're watching this at night, don't check your doors. Don't open your security app. And whatever you do, don't look too closely at your reflection. Because once it knows your face, it doesn't need permission to enter. If your camera ever sends a notification at 3:11 a.m., don't review the footage. Just remember this. Some things don't want to hurt you. They just want to be you. If this story made you uneasy, leave a like. It lets me know you're still there, and not something pretending to be you. Subscribe if you want to hear more stories that don't end when the video does. Sleep well, if you still can.